Have you ever been curious about what goes into the building of a high-end solid gold art knife that took more than 3 years to create? Well, stay with me, because what you're about to see is something truly rare. I'm Dellana. If you don't already know me, I've been a full-time custom knife maker and bladesmith since 1994, specializing in unique folding knives. Before that, I spent 17 years as a full-time goldsmith and art jeweler. In this video, you're going to see a brief overview of one of my rare collaborations with the incredible artist and knife maker Barnett. Every single element of this knife was created entirely by us, and by hand. No CAD, no AI, no CNC, no outside engraver or stone setter. Just us and our ideas, skills, time, and craftsmanship. This is a quick look into what went into building a solid gold, sterling silver, sapphire, ruby, and diamond folding D-guard art knife. And honestly, there's so much to cover that this is just the beginning. In future videos, I'll be going deeper into the processes involved in bringing a piece like this to life. Let me know what you want to see more of in the comments below. And if you have any questions, just ask. I really hope you enjoy this.
Grand Harvest, a collaboration between Barnett and Dellana. This piece began as an idea that refused to stay small. Not everything here behaves the way you expect. The design took years to resolve, every line questioned, every mechanism earned. The lock had to disappear and still do impossible work. More than 100 individual gold leaves, each formed by hand, each placed with intent. Gold, sterling silver, sapphires, diamonds, and rubies, materials chosen not for excess, but for balance. Nothing here was rushed. Creativity came first, craftsmanship followed. A solid gold suspension blade, a design born from curiosity and carried out through patience. Hundreds of sapphires, set one at a time until the surface became light. creation and more imagination than metal can hold.